Hello, how to solve square root of x plus square root of 2 equals 2, solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. So let's start by moving or taking the squares of both parts of this equation. So we have square root of x plus square root of 2 raised to the power of 2 equals 2 raised to the power of 2. Now if you have a plus b squared, this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. So that means you have square root of x power 2 plus square root of 2 power 2 plus 2 times square root of x times square root of 2, and this equals 2 power 2. From here, this cancel this, I have x plus, this cancel this, I have 2 plus square root of x times square root of 2, that is square root of 2x. This is 2 times square root of 2x equals 2 power 2, that is 4. So I can move 2 over and x over this equality sign. So we have 2 root 2x, 2 times root 2x is 2 root 2x equals 4. This will change to minus 2. When this crosses, it will change to minus x. From here, I have 2 times root of 2x equals 4 minus 2. This is 2 minus x. So what I can do is to divide this by 2. Divide this by 2. 2 eliminates 2. So I have square root of 2x equals 2 minus x divided by 2. So I take the squares of the part of this equation. Now what happens here is that this cancels this. Have 2x equals 2 minus x divided by 2 times 2 minus x divided by 2, because we have power 2 here. So from here, I have 2x equals 2 times 2, that is for 2 times minus x times 2, minus x times minus x divided by 2 times 2, that is 4. So this is around 1, we cross multiply. 4 multiplies to x, that is 8x equals 4, minus 2x minus 2x, that is minus 4x, plus x squared. We move this over here, as 0 equals 4, minus 4x plus x squared, minus 8x. So from here, I have 0 equals 4, minus 4x minus 8x, this is minus 12x, plus x squared. So let's rearrange this equation. So from here, I have x squared minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. So this is the equation we are going to solve for all values of x, and we are going to solve this using the formula method. So here is it. Now, I write the formula in respect to x. Minus 4ac divided by 2a. A is 1, which is the coefficient of x squared. B is negative 12, which is this. C is 4, which is this. So from here, I have x equals negative times negative 12 plus or minus square root of a squared as negative 12 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 4 divided by 2 times 1. From here, I have x equals 12 plus or minus square root of, this is 144 minus, this is 16, 4ac by 16 divided by 2. Now we have x equals 12 plus or minus. This is square root of 144 minus 16, which is 128. This is divided by 2. So this equals 12 plus or minus. This is square root of 128 expressed as 64 times 2 divided by 2. So from here, half x equals 12 plus or minus square root of 64 times square root of 2 divided by 2. So from here, half x equals 12 plus or minus square root of 64 here, 8 times root 2 divided by 2. So from here, this is 4, this is 6, 6 plus or minus 4 root 2. Now we have two values for x. We have x equals 6 plus 4 root 2 or 6 minus 4 root 2. And these are the two values for x. Now let's go ahead and check if these two values of x will satisfy the equation. So we have check. We have x1 equals 6 plus 4 root 2 and x2 equals 6 minus 4 root 2. This is our x, so we have square root of x, that is 6 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 equals 2. Now, 4 root 2 will give us a number that is actually more than 5. So this is square root of 6 plus this number here is greater than 5. And plus this is about 1.4. And this equals 2. So this square root of 6 plus root 5, if you take the square root of this will be greater than 3 plus 1.4. And this equals 2. So you are adding a number that is greater than 3 plus 1.4. And this is obviously going to give you a number that is greater than 2. So that particular value there will not satisfy the equation. Let's consider 6 minus 4 root 2 as x. So we remember we have square root of x plus square root of 2 equals 2. That means we have square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 plus root 2 equals 2. This will give you about 0 point something, because this is about 5 point something. So this will give you about 0 point something. And this is obviously less than 1. Less than 1. 6 minus 4 root 2 is less than 1. So the square root of a number that is less than 1 plus this about 1.4 and this equals 2. So this obviously will give you about 0 point something, maybe 0 0.6 or 5 something. Plus this is about 1.4. And this is obviously tending towards 2 because this on its own is less than 1. If you take the square root of a number that is less than 1, it will be 0 point something. So I'm just assuming that it will be about 0 0.5. So, and if you add it to this, approximately you have to. So this is the closest value for x based on what we have seen. This is 6 minus 4 root 2. So guys, this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.